Ever had an old electronic laying around that you really liked, but you don't know where the power supply cable is? For instance, here I have a pretty high-end massage gun, and I can't find the charger anywhere. And so what I have here in front of me is specifically a 16.8 volt charger with 8 different tips. And this is compatible with numerous of these massagers. So if you got an electronic device and you can't find the charger for it, there are many available universal chargers. This one specifically will work with tons of these handguns. And all you have to do is look at your device on the bottom, find the voltage, and then search for a compatible voltage. And then if it's center positive, it'll tell you right here, or center negative. And in this one here, and then you don't have to worry about the size of the hole that it goes in because it comes with 8 different ones. And I'm just so excited to get this back up and running and charging so that I can use it once again. So check out this particular brand. They are high quality, and it gives you everything you need to get your massage gun back up and running.